Hi, this is INFINIX Hot 30 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer app. So now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and you'll see here all of the available applications, which icons you could change. For example, change the contacts icon. You could rename it if you want. We could use photo from our device, library, auto photo, in gallery, or to take a picture right now, a camera app. In library, we got here some folders with different icons. You could use just them. For example, I'll use this one. Tap on the right upper corner to OK button. Tap to add. We could change next icon by the same way or go to desktop directly. So let's just check our new contacts icon, and this is where is our default one. This is the default icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.